Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Kura Web Channel and welcome to another class of our React course. In this class, we're gonna build our card structure. So let's get started. First of all, I have my server running. I'm fine here, okay? So I will access inside my components folder, the card folder, and the file index.js. Type in the shortcut area FC. I have this hooks structure. I will remove the index and write card here. I will remove export here, and below the component I will type export the full card, and I will type card here. Okay, saving, checking, nothing happened. Okay, let's think about a little about the architecture of the application. I have two pages. I have the main page and I have the info page. The info page is the page where I will put my personal information like my email, my social networks, and my YouTube channel, things like that. So it's not the right place to put the card. So the card, um, the right place to put the card, the main route, you know here, the main route, you remember, is the main. Okay, so I will put my cards inside the main. So let's start. Um, Opening the pages, the main, I have here this structure. Let me divide the screen, okay? I'd like to show my card here. So to do that, I will import here my card from opening here and verifying. I'm at main folder. I have to exit main folder, exit the pages folder and enter in the components folder, entering in the card folder. I don't need to write index because VS Code understand index as the main page of each component. Okay, so here I have my card. Checking, I have main here, and when I replace this h1 by card, saving, checking here, I have card. Okay, let's structure our card. Let's structure a little our card. First of all, I need an image. But I don't have images yet. So I will use a service by Unsplash called Unsplash Loading, or a Unsplash Source. Um, it's a very good service, and it helps a lot the development process, because it's very easy to simulate images inside our project. Okay, so I removed the div here. Okay, I removed the div. Okay, return, type in div. Okay, image, pasting the link. I have random, and I have I don't know what size the image will be rendered in the browser. So I have the option of define the ideal size for my application. I will define 300 by 200, 200 alt image mock. For example, saving, refine here. I have an image. If I refresh, I have another image. If I refresh again, oops, the same image, but I have another one. It's a very good service. Um, by It's a very nice service. I like it. I like it a lot. And let's finish our component structure. I will type here another div, a p tag, writing gender, span, oops, span, a vertical bar here. I will repeat it 3 times. In VS Code, the shortcut to do this is Option Shift or Control Shift for Windows, or Alt Shift, I don't know, and up and down arrows. Okay, you select the lines you like to duplicate and type these comments. Okay, I have here another informations, another one below, div with class name icons. I will type icons here. Another div with the class info container, typing here info container. Okay, saving, and if we check, it's hard to see, but all the information are here. Instead of 3 genders, I will write gender, oops, height, and mass. Okay, and to see the informations better, I will create a style here. It's not a good practice create inline styles. It is preferable to create external styles, but it's very temporary. It's just for to help us in at the moment, okay? But it's not recommended for a real application. So here I have a background, orange, padding, kings, and border radius 5. Saving, checking. Okay, I have a card structure finished. That's it, guys. I hope you like. If you like, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. And see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.